this is Brenda from BellaBuddhaYoga.com, and I've been wanting to make some natural hand wipes, cleaning wipes. You know, you get these little messes and you just want to grab one of those Clorox wipes or whatever, but it's full of bleach and chemicals and it stinks. So DoTerra has a natural solution to that. They're on their do-it-yourself page, there's a recipe for making your own natural hand wipes, so I thought we would do that today. So what you do is you get a roll of paper towels. This one's not a full roll because I've been using them. And you cut it in half. Now I've done this before, and it's not hard, but it's not that terribly easy either. So I'm just kind of cutting around. Now it doesn't cut very pretty, so you're going to have these loose ends, but it really doesn't matter. So you've got your half a roll here, you've got enough for two, okay? So to make the solution, you get a bowl and you get 2 cups of warm water, pour it in. Then you take your On Guard oil, and I actually ran out of my On Guard, if you can believe it, that's how much I've used it. So I do have a little bit left. So the recipe calls for 2 drops. 1, 2. I'm going to put a couple of extra ones in there, and then I think I might have a last drop. Good. So that one's all used up. And then I added, this isn't in the recipe, but I'm adding an extra little bit of clove. So it's very good antimicrobial. So I'm doing about 5, 6 drops in there. And since I didn't have enough On Guard, and also since I made it already, when I used it, it was great, but it didn't smell strong enough for me. I want my wipes to smell a little more On Guard-like. So what I'm doing is I'm going to add the On Guard concentrated cleanser. So this is a concentrate of the On Guard and clove and other different oils. So I'm going to add a teaspoon. Okay, teaspoon of that. And here's the doTerra On Guard hand wash, which is really nice, by the way. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. And fractionated just simply means it's liquid, because you know when you see the coconut oil, it's solidified. This one is fractionated, so it's all liquid. So to squeeze it out here, 1 and 2. Good. Okay. And then I'm just going to whisk it up just a little bit, just to make sure, you know, just to mix it up. Okay. Now, the next thing you do is you need to put your wipes in a airtight container. I don't have a pretty glass container with a lid, nothing that fits, so I'm just using these gallon-sized baggies. And I'm going to put the scruffy side down. And then you take your mixture, hold the bag open wide, and pour it in. Now this paper towel size, remember I told you I'd been using some of the paper towels already, it's not a full roll, so I'm expecting that I'm going to have a little bit extra liquid. Maybe not, it might just soak it all up. It might actually be really, really good. So you let it soak all up, you can see how it evaporated it absorbed really fast. You're supposed to let it wait 10 minutes so it can really seep into the center. And once you do that, I'm just going to rush ahead, but once you let it sit, open it up and remove the center thing, okay, the cardboard thing. And here you go, you've got you start from the middle, just like you do on the wipes, and here they are. You can open them up, use them. Now, there's a couple of dry spots here because, again, you know, you've got to let it soak for 10 minutes so it can seep all the way through. But here you go, here it is. It smells really nice. It's got a nice strong scent, and it's gonna clean all my stuff naturally. I don't have to worry about it irritating my hands or my nose or anything like that, or my pets. I hate all those Clorox cleaners. So here you go, a nice natural solution. I've actually made 3 of these, so I've got one in each bathroom, and then I'm gonna leave one in my kitchen. Super easy to make, and as I said, like, the products go far. So I've already made, I mean, I have a whole bottle. I mean, I've only used like that much of this hand cleaner, and I've made 3 of these already. So the products go rather far, so you can make a lot of different things with this stuff. I'm going to be doing some more research on doTerra, find some other do-it-yourself things, and I will be posting more videos on how to make some earth-friendly and products for us to use, okay? So if you have any questions, you can always email me, brenda@bellabuddhayoga.com, and I will be seeing you soon. So thanks for watching, and namaste.